In this video, I'll show you how to create a group on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. For you to be able to create a group on LinkedIn, you don't have a LinkedIn account, right? You want to click on this group right here. This group right here. Click on the create group. So at first, I'm going to select our logo right here. I'm gonna select this, right? I don't think I need any adjustment. I'll just click on the apply right now. I'll come on here, the group name, I can just name it how to edu, okay, how to education, right? So you can still upload a banner image if you want, right? Come on here, but it must suit this, like this recommended, right? So purpose of the group, I'll just come on and type in entrepreneurs connect, right? Entrepreneurs connect. So I'm done. I'm gonna click on the create, and our group will be ready right now, right? You can see I just created a group right here on LinkedIn, and from here you can see the pending post request to join and a whole lot of other things, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.